Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever time you're coming across this video. You are welcome once again. Today I will be taking us through how we can set our phone on default. If you're making use of Chrome on your phone and you want to make use of another browser, that is what I mean. How to set different browser on our phone. So let's dive in. All you need to do is come right down to the settings. Yes, it is our phone settings. You can see that icon that is showing app info and send to desktop. This particular icon, just click on it. That the icon that looks like wheel, click on it and it will take you down to this place where you look for your app management, and you click on your app management and it will load up this particular interface for you, after which you click on the first one you have there, says default apps. So click on that. So once you click on it, you are going to have different options. You can see I have browser app, caller ID and spam app, digital assistance app, home app, phone app, SMS app. So it now depends on the one you want to go for, the one you want to change, the one you want to use for your default presently. So I will be going for the browser app. Presently, you can see I have Chrome. It's Chrome that I have under my browser app. So let's click on it and see the next thing that we need to do. So here are other different apps that I have on my phone that are also browser, which I can use for browsing. So right here, I will be picking this H, and after picking, all you need to do is click on the back arrow, and once you come back to this place where you have browser app, you will be seeing whatever app you've picked here. So it means it's active like this. So your browser will work on Edge browser since you set this way. So this is how to set your phone default. So if we pick phonics, then we go back again, you are going to see it has changed to phonics. So if I close this tab and start browsing, I'll be browsing on my phonics browser. That is what it means. So if we go back again and pick the Big Jet wallet, you are going to see it will show Big Jet here. So anyone it shows here means that is the one you will be using presently. I hope we understand. If you understand, drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe so as to become one of the family member. Like this, I will be picking the edge, which is what I want to use, and then I go back, and that's all. You can see when you get to this place, the last one you pick was edge. That is what will be showing as the first one, which is the one you are using for browsing presently. If this video has been helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Thank you. Bye for now.